Welcome back to my channel Tech Getter Official. In today's video, we will fix some information changed since the last time you connected, Wi-Fi error in Windows 10 and Windows 11. If you are unable to connect to your Wi-Fi network and this message keeps appearing, then don't worry, this video will help you fix it step by step. This issue usually happens when the saved network settings do not match the current router configuration. So make sure to follow all the steps carefully. Firstly, right-click on the Windows icon and then click on Settings. This will open the main system settings where we can manage network configurations. Then on the right side, click on Network and Internet. This section contains all your Internet and Wi-Fi related settings. After that, click on Wi-Fi. Then scroll down and you will see Manage Known Networks. Click on it. This option shows all the Wi-Fi networks your system has connected to before. Here you can see multiple networks. Now find your current Wi-Fi network and then click on it. Then click on Forget. This step removes the saved password and configuration, which may be causing the connection issue. After this, close the settings window. Now go to the bottom right corner and click on the Wi-Fi icon. Then turn off Wi-Fi once and turn it on again. This refreshes the network list and helps detect the network properly. Now you will see your Wi-Fi network again. Click on it. Then click on Connect. After that, enter your Wi-Fi password correctly. Then click on Next. Now your system will reconnect to the network with fresh settings. In most cases, this will fix the error immediately. Once connected, you should no longer see the Some Information Changed message. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Tech Getter Official.